Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Time sure does fly. I remember just 2 short years ago when we were coming out of the pandemic and we didn't have any cars on the lot at all. And I mean, we literally had 40 total cars. That was new and used combined. But here we are 2 years later, and we are definitely back on top. I can tell you right now, where other dealerships are slacking, we're definitely stacking in the terms of inventory. So like I said before, we had 40 vehicles. Well, as you can see now, this is just my used car lot here. I got some new cars in the back over there as well. Definitely more than 40 vehicles. Quite impressive. As we venture into the back of the dealership, here you're going to see we have many new vehicles. You can see them. They are 2 and 3 deep all the way down. Lots and lots of new inventory for our customers. It's a really nice sight to see, especially considering there are still a lot of dealerships out there that are dealing with the inventory shortages. You know, there's dealerships out there where you go and buy a brand new vehicle, they still put you on a waiting list. They still tell you they have to build the vehicle and it's going to take 8 months to get it. Well, I can tell you right now, here at Russ Darrow Mazda of Greenfield, that is not the case. Mazda has worked very well for us. They're always keeping our inventory full. We always have a truck coming here almost every other day to drop off 6 or 7 more vehicles. We have a ton for you. We have every make. Mazda 3, CX-5, CX-30, CX-50, CX-90, and the CX-70. So please, come see us here at Russ Darrow Mazda in Greenfield, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Come take your pick of the many new vehicles we have for you here. Other than that, you guys take care and we'll look for you on the lot. Have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.